Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 7 best ways to make money by reading books, so make sure to watch the full video. Have you ever heard about people who get paid to read books? I'm not talking about the kind of reading bookworms do with great or fun books here. I'm talking about getting paid to do what most people do for pleasure. Yes, really. It's true. Reading and having a passion for reading can lead you to find a treasure chest of hidden cash. How cool is that? I thought this was too good to be true, so I wanted to know more about it. So I did some research and then started doing some reading on this subject, and I found out 7 ways that will help you to make money by reading. 1. Proofreading. Do you have a passion for reading and a knack for grammar and spelling? If so, proofreading may be a rewarding career choice. As a proofreader, you will make money correcting the written works of authors, writers, content producers, and businesses. Proofreading includes the use of various techniques to examine a document to determine whether there are errors in spelling, grammar, punctuation, sentence structure, and so on. It is one of the easiest ways you can earn money online, as proofreading is a skill that anyone can learn. It is all about improving the quality of writing. When people write, they are usually so concerned with getting their point across that they don't focus on mistakes or poor grammar use. By reading over someone else's work, you will be able to find errors in spelling, punctuation, formatting, awkward phrases, and more. There are many ways to approach this career path, but one of the most flexible is freelancing with companies that hire English proficient proofreaders. 2. Read books aloud on VoiceBunny. If you think reading books out loud is a stupid idea and you haven't tried it, then it might change your life. Seriously, I know that the idea of recording books to make money is already a little bit strange, but combining that with voice acting is even more unusual because not everyone knows about this opportunity. There are a lot of sites where you can get paid just by reading books aloud on their site, which is a dream come true for all the readers out there. VoiceBunny, Bunny Studio, is a voiceover marketplace platform for independent audiobook narrators, audiobook producers, media makers, podcasters, and audio playwrights. On VoiceBunny, freelancers are awarded points for each minute of recorded audio they complete successfully. These points are what freelancers get paid for. Reading aloud is a fun and interesting job for many people. Imagine you become an online celebrity and get access to the most exciting books just because you will read them aloud. You can do it at home or in your office and earn money while doing it. By the way, you can also get unlimited access to audiobooks for free at any time. 3. Apps that pay for reading. Have you heard about the rising like of bookworm apps and that you can make money on them while going crazy with literature to your heart's content? Reading brings a lot of joy to our lives, but they say reading is a solo activity. Even though it's a private activity, you will be surprised to find that you can make money if you read on your favorite bookish apps. Bookish apps are not just for reading or literature. With bookish apps, you can even make some money and spend some time easily. There are plenty of other useful book apps as well. Now you must be wondering which apps will pay you to read books. Don't worry, I got you. Scribd is an entertainment-oriented digital library platform that focuses on providing access to books, audiobooks, sheet music, comic books, graphic novels, manga, newspapers, and more. It also boasts the largest library of online audiobooks on Earth. Every month, they pay 50 million people to read and listen to books on their platform. So if you love to read, Scribd might be a great way for you to make money online. There are also a few other platforms where you can make money by reading, such as Bookyap, Wattpad, etc. 4. Book reviews. We are all familiar with reading books, but do you think that reading books can help us make money online? Have you ever asked yourself how to make money by doing what you love? If so, book reviewing is the thing to do. An avid book reader, you must read books all the time. And yes, you can write reviews on the books online to earn money. Book reviewing is a practice of summarizing, reviewing, and analyzing all attributes of a book. In addition to a summary, the reviewer may provide a commentary on the text, generally on aspects such as structure, organization, tone, writing style, or topic. A review often contains a short summary of the text contained within the book. Book reviewing is a wide area of work, from simple book report writing to serious literary criticism. Every day, new authors are looking for the best reviewers and paying them to review their books. This means new books to read and review all the time, which is really the dream for book lovers out there. 5. Book affiliate programs. Book affiliate programs are one of the best ways to make money online if you are someone who loves reading, writing about the books that they are reading, and clicking aesthetic pictures of them. Book affiliate programs are programs that are being used by publishers to promote their published books. They do so by giving affiliate codes to book bloggers and bookstagrammers, and are paid when readers or their followers buy the particular books they have linked to in their Instagram bio or blog. An affiliate program is basically a marketing strategy in which publishers pay commissions to an affiliate for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate. You just need to promote the books on your Instagram or on your blog by writing good reviews on them and clicking aesthetic pictures, which will tempt your followers to buy those products, and when they do so, they can use your affiliate code for that. You will make money on a commission earned for each sale. This will allow you to read as many books as you want and also at the same time make money. Here is our affiliate marketing guide for book bloggers and the best book affiliate or referral programs to make money. 6. Writerful Books. Writerful Books is an excellent resource for people who want to get paid to read books. The platform offers a range of opportunities for reviewers, including the chance to review advanced copies of books as well as newly released titles. This means that there is always something new and exciting to read, and reviewers have the opportunity to discover new authors and genres. One of the standout features of Writerful Books is the range of resources that it offers for reviewers. The platform provides guidelines for writing reviews, as well as tips on how to get the most out of your review experience. This is particularly useful for new reviewers who may not be familiar with the process of reviewing books. In addition to its review opportunities, Writerful Books also offers a range of resources for writers, including writing prompts, writing tips, and a marketplace for freelance editors. This makes it a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their writing skills or break into the publishing industry. 7. Reedsy.com. Reedsy.com is a fantastic resource for people who want to get paid to read books. The platform connects authors with a wide range of professionals in the publishing industry, including editors, proofreaders, and book reviewers. This means that there are always opportunities available for people who are interested in reading and reviewing books for a fee. One of the great things about Reedsy is that it allows you to set your own rates and choose the types of books that you want to review. This means that you can tailor your work to your interests and expertise, and only take on projects that you feel qualified to review. In addition to connecting reviewers with authors, Reedsy also offers a range of resources and tools for writers, including a library of writing prompts and a marketplace for freelance editors. These resources make Reedsy a valuable resource for anyone looking to break into the publishing industry or improve their writing skills. If you'd like to join a group chat with thousands of like-minded individuals who help each other out and give business advice, click the link in the description. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.